Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set any custom wallpaper and enable full dark mode even on unactivated copies of Windows 10. Most people think it's impossible because when you try to change your wallpaper, you get this message. You need to activate Windows before you personalize your PC. But there's a simple walkaround, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to set any wallpaper you want and unlock full dark mode across Windows. Let's get started. Open your web browser. Search for a wallpaper or image you like. I want a 4K dark Windows wallpaper, so I'm grabbing one from 4kwallpapers.com. If you want to extract the same wallpaper I'm using, I'll leave a link in the description below. Once the download is finished, open your downloads folder. Right-click and set as desktop background. And just like that, you now have a custom 4K background even on unactivated Windows installs. If you ever want to go back to the original wallpaper, open File Explorer, go to your C drive, double-click Windows, and find Web. Inside the 4K, Screen, and Wallpaper folders, you'll find every default Windows 10 wallpaper. Right-click on any image and set as desktop background. I'll switch back to my 4K Windows wallpaper. That's it, simple and clean. Now, let's turn Windows 10 fully dark. This part surprises a lot of people because the real dark mode switches are hidden inside the registry. Go to the Windows search box and type Regedit. You'll see Registry Editor, run as administrator. Click yes. Now let's follow this path. Double-click H-key current user, go to Software, find Microsoft, scroll down until you see Windows, click Current Version, scroll down till you find Themes, and then click Personalize, or you can copy and paste this into the file path bar. There's a link in the description below, and then hit Enter. This is the exact spot where Windows stores the dark mode settings. Find AppsUseLightTheme, double-click, set the value from 1 to 0, and click OK. 1 sets light mode, which is set by default. 0 sets dark mode for Windows apps like Settings, File Explorer, Microsoft Store, and built-in UI panels. Now find SystemUsesLightTheme and double-click. Enter 0 for full dark system UI, or 1 if you want to stay in light mode. Mine was already set to 0, so I'm leaving it here. This controls the taskbar, Start menu, Action Center, and right-click context menus. And just like that, you now have a fully unlocked dark mode, even without activating Windows. You've successfully set a custom wallpaper, restored access to the default Windows backgrounds, and enabled true dark mode through the registry. Before you go, I've got more tutorials on the things you will find interesting. Check out the videos on the screen, leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick, useful tutorials. Thank you for watching and have a great day.